Alpicool C15 Portable Mini Fridge Freezer. Being one of the lower priced items on the list, the Alpicool C15 Portable Mini Fridge Freezer is not subpar. This unit is highly efficient, operating with a freezing temperature of -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius. This unit is built to operate on a variety of energy sources, being able to connect to AC or DC power. It is energy efficient and can be used with your solar power system. The refrigerator freezer is sized at length 22.4 inches, width 12.6 inches, and height 10.2 inches. The capacity is 16 quarts or 20 cans of soda. While a small capacity, this unit is able to fit where others are not. It is also well suited for couples who are always on the go, or the solo camper. That being said, this mini appliance is perfect for a fit in cars, trucks, vans, and even within the garage or home as a minibar. It is lightweight and made of durable plastic. The foam insulation keeps it cooling so that your food and drinks remain fresh, even when not connected to power. Pros: extremely affordable, small and compact unit, keeps food fresh for a few hours without power. Cons: small capacity,